Today we are going to be drawing a narwhal. Everybody loves narwhals. So to start off, we're going to be angling this guy. So we are going to want to make a big arch. Do you guys see that? Now we're going to put its tail in. So I like to do come out on both sides and then find the middle right here. So we're gonna make it go out and the middle, and then you make it go out and find that middle again. That's his tail. Now we're gonna make his, I think it's called the tusk, but looks kind of like a unicorn horn. Up. You can make yours as long or as short as you guys like. I'm gonna erase in there. And I made mine a rainbow narwhal. You don't need to make it a rainbow narwhal. I just thought it needed a little extra color. All right, so now we're gonna try to find its mouth. So you're gonna bring it in. He's just like, this is one happy narwhal saying, hello. You see how I just added a little mouth in there? Now I'm gonna erase here so we can see his mouth is open. And then we are gonna connect this down to here. Great job. Now it looks like an upside down raindrop right here. One, and the other one's on the other side. So we're just gonna see the other end of it. There you go. Erase in there so we can see his part of it. Put his eye in there somewhere, pick a spot. And an eyebrow. And I gave my narwhal this fun to match his rainbow. I made him rainbow spots on his back. You guys can add some water, little bubbles. And I add little goldfish down here. So how I do it is go up and around, and then I'm gonna put a little tail on. Same thing, so I did 3 of them. Up, around, tail, up, around, add a tail. All right, we're ready to Sharpie. This guy's gonna be fast. All right, so Sharpie your narwhal. So I looked and looked and I could not find any funny narwhal jokes, unfortunately. But I did find some fun facts. If I happen to go too fast for you, you guys can pause it and then come back to me. We can finish up our narwhal. So I always thought this would be called a horn, but they call this up here a tusk. And what it's used for is when they are courting, they use it as a jousting weapon. So they want to show off dominance and among the other rivals. They want to show the ladies that, look what I can do. Like a peacock and its feathers. Ooh, I should draw a peacock. Right on. Okay. That'll be one of my next ones, I think. Getting close to being done with our Sharpie. So we can erase any lines. Get your eraser out. Erase any of those lines you don't like. Get out your pencils. I'm going to start with my rainbow. So I did red, orange. Okay. It's not wanting to come out. Red, orange, yellow. Come on. Green. I want the bright green. I thought this side. Green, blue, and purple. I just love the look of a rainbow. Is this purple? Yes. There we go. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Okay. So when you do this, to make it look like it's rounded, go on one side harder, and then as you're going to the center, do less on the pressure, and come back on the other side. Okay, and what I do is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red. So I know this is going to be red. So you can count yours off too. Okay, now I'm going to see, what do I want to color in here for my colors? We'll do these two. Okay, now I'm going to use orange. And that'll be the next one. Pressure down, lighter in the middle. Pressure down. How long do you think narwhals live? Can you guess? I did not think it was going to be this long. I thought maybe 20, 30 years. They live to be 50 years old. They have a nice long life. 50 years. Good job, narwhals. Good job. Good job. Oh man, I'm forgetting to color. So I have to use a color. You want to come in here and add that. We're going to go back to the orange. Add a color here. And my goldfish are yellow. Are orange. So I'm going to color those puppies in. There we go. Goldfish done. Now I could do the blue. So narwhals are, of course, they're big swimmers, and they swim a lot of times with their belly up. So it looks like, and they like to just like be motionless, swimming along for several minutes. And this is why they have a nickname of corpse whale. So a corpse is something dead. So they've got a nickname of corpse whale because they just like to float along with their belly up. They're not dead. They're just, that's the way they swim. All right, now we're gonna get the gray out. Gray. There she blows. We got gray. Yes. So they're pretty good divers, which I didn't know. Can you guys think of how far that they can dive deep under the water? It's pretty far. 5,000 feet. What are they doing when they're diving 5,000 feet? They are looking for food. You want to make this back end harder, okay? Oh, you know what we got to do? We got to find that pink. Go get a pink out. Right here. We're going to do its cheeks. So I always go one way. And I go the other way. And then I do a little bit more in the middle. It's ready to go. All right, now we'll go to the gray. Go around the outside a little bit harder. And his eyebrow is darkened in. And when you color, try to color one direction here. All right, anything else? The average narwhal is 3,500 pounds. So in the water, it can float nicely, but on land, that would squash a person if they were on top of you. That's a lot of weight. And they can reach up to 1 ton. They are just gigantic creatures in the water. Also, narwhals, how they communicate is they have a squeal and a whistle. That's how they communicate. And it can get so loud that if a human, if it was doing it out of the water, it could make a human deaf if a human was right next to it. That is how loud their squeal and whistles are. It could make us deaf. Wow, that is loud. But that's how they communicate underwater. Let's see. They travel in pods. So they're called pods. So whales travel in pods. And they can travel in pods of 4 to 20 narwhal whales. That's how they're like little families. And when we used to live in the state of Washington, their mascot was a whale. And at the elementary school. And each section of the school, it was broken off into sections. Each section was called a pod. I thought that was just so cute. So they had like, each wing was a pod. They're little whales. I'm gonna make it darker down here. So actually, let's get the black out. It'll give it some definition. And what you want you to do, you're gonna press harder down here, and then it's gonna come up softer. It just gives it a nice look here. And as I come up, I'm just gonna go lighter and lighter. And I'm gonna color in this back one a little darker. I didn't blend that too well. But you get the gist, and you go around the outside here. Yay, you're so cute. Okay, we're gonna take our blue, and you guys, I will let you guys do this at home. Go around the outside of it, dark. And then go around all your bubbles. And as you come out, you're gonna press harder and then go lighter as you come out. Oh, it's different color blue. It's okay, still blue. So I'm gonna let you guys go all the way around and do this all the way around. Hope you guys had fun drawing with me today. You should check out all of my other drawing videos, and we can have another art lesson. Remember,